Hi. All right. Today we're going to be looking at the Top Bly projector. I want to show you what comes in the box. So first we have our projector, of course. You have your lens cap, a remote. This does not include batteries, so make sure you have two AAA batteries. I already have those put in. You have your power cord and an HDMI cable. Super handy, along with, of course, instructions. Instruction manual is really well written, so make sure you keep this handy and look over this for how to set this up. All right, your projector. Okay, so you have, of course, your focus wheel up at the top of the projector that will focus your projector and clear up the screen from being blurry to focused. You also have a keystone wheel right here behind the focus wheel that will adjust how you have your screen angled, depending on how you have it angled. Okay, you also have your manual buttons in case you're not using your remote at that point. You have the option of turning this on with the buttons on the projector itself. So you have your power button, you have a back button, a source button, and a menu button, and then your OK or enter button right here in the middle, and then your up and down side to side buttons right here to control it. You have your power cord port, and then on this other side are all of your other in ports. So I'm going to kind of run those down. So you have your audio port where you can put an audio jack in here. You have your AV in port right here. That's the other round port. You have the option of putting an SD card in here. You have two HDMI ports, a USB port, and a VGA port. So that's what you have on your projector. Button-wise, on the bottom you do have this option to this wheel right in the middle that you can unscrew. It only goes so far. I usually always, even with this, will use a book or a binder to angle it up because of where our screen sits when we have it set up. You also do have the ability to have this secured via like a screw onto like a projector stand, or however you want to set that up in that aspect as well. All right, so this does also have wireless capabilities. I'm going to be showing wired. I'll have this plugged into my Roku via the HDMI cable and kind of show you how that works and how it looks. You do also have the option of Bluetooth with this. So Bluetooth, you can Bluetooth your speakers. If you have this outside, all the projectors I've seen with friends and such, you always outside you'll need an extra speaker besides what is built in the projector because of outside noise and ambient noise in that aspect of things. When you're inside, the speaker that's built in is really good. So I'm going to give you a kind of picture of what this looks like, show you how it looks on our screen, and go from there. So let me just flip this around and show you what it looks like. Alright, I apologize if this is wiggly. I'm just kind of using my hands here to hold my phone and kind of show you how this is hooked up. So I have it on a table right now because our projector is right here. We have a stand that we can take down. So there's our screen. Here's the projector. I have it on a binder all propped up. You can see that it is plugged in and powered. I do have that all done. My HDMI cable is hooked up to our Roku. Oh, it's got lots of fingerprints on it. I have kids. All right, so power cord, Roku's plugged in, HDMI all set. So again, I'm going to show you. You can turn this on. You see the green light flash and turn back on. So this is with my lights completely on. So it's not a bad look for having the lights all the way on its brightest level. We can dim these lights in our living room here. So this is what it looks like with the lights on. You do have a little bit of noise from the motor running, but it's actually fairly quiet. I'm going to pause this. I'm going to lower my lights and show you how crisp and clean this looks with the lights dimmed down. All right, here we are with the lights completely off. So nice, crisp, clear screen. I've obviously already focused it. I'm going to kind of show you. So this is your keystone look. So you're going up and down. I'm just going to keep it straight because I'm right on. All right, and then I'm going to show you I want to give you an idea of the sound. And we'll go there. Oh. So you could hear that. So that is that's not even as loud as it gets. So
welcome to Camp Cretaceous.
Really well. Let me kind of look at this real quick. I'm gonna pause this for just a second. Alright, I found the volume control. It's dark in here, so I had to look again. So I'm gonna turn it down. And then I'm gonna kind of turn it. I'm not gonna turn it all the way up because most of my family is sleeping. But really good as far as volume goes. I'm gonna pause this, turn on the light. I stopped that too soon. I'm gonna pause this, turn on the lights, and just finish up this review. Alright, I'm back. I hope you're able to see how crisp and clear that was. I didn't even have the volume up as loud as it could go. It's evening. I have kids that are sleeping. So great volume, especially for inside. We live near a busy road, and so I will always use like an audio speaker if I'm outside with the screen, but it's winter, so we're not watching anything outside right now. But again, this is the top fly projector. Beautiful screen. I like how compact this is, and it gives a great punch for your value with this. Haven't had any issues. Great response when I'm using the remote. But yeah, really great. I loved it. My kids loved it. We watched a few movies inside with Christmas break happening, and so it's been really fun to have a bigger screen, kind of give you a movie experience at home. So hopefully this was a helpful review, and again, top light projector. Highly recommended. My kids and my family really enjoyed it.